Okay, guys. Gawa tayong butuido. Ginamit ko beef, ground beef, pickles, onion, garlic, carrots, raisin. You can add bell pepper. Naubusan ako ng bell pepper. And then, paminta, asin. Yan. So, lagyan na lang natin ng paprika. Then, cheese. Yan. Lagyan natin ng egg. 2 eggs. Yung iba nilalagyan ng breadcrumbs. Okay. Then, you can add milk, but I will use condensed milk. Yan. Okay. Then, mix. Okay. Basta malinis yung kamay nyo, pwede na yan. Okay, i-roll na natin ang ating embutido. Siyempre, pahidan nyo ulit ng margarine. Ayan. Makapal yung ating ayan. 1 cup. Spread nyo, guys. Spread your wings so they can fly. Okay, we have hot dogs. Then eggs. Ayan. You can add strip of bell pepper, okay? And roll. Roll. Ayan. Okay, steam natin for 1 hour. Ito na ang ating embutido. Ang sarap. Pwede nyo itong prituhin. Diba? Prito. So, yun. Yan.